What are those, baby? What are those? He bored with them already, huh? Mama, come here. Look. Look, baby. She does this with the dishwasher. She likes to stare at it, sniff it. Because we have an apartment on the other side of this wall. And for some reason she thinks the dishwasher sounds like dogs. Because our next door neighbors have dogs. Baby, there's no dogs on the other side of that dishwasher. She's got a whole head underneath it. Nope, you stay away from that. Shit. I don't want her trying to eat the eclairs. Get down. Get down. I got eclairs. I don't want her trying to reach up on the counter to eat one. Yeah, there is food up there, but it's not for you. What? You can drink water? Okay.